Today we are visiting Frank Lloyd Wright's
Graycliff. We got our extended tour passes on, and it's going to be a two-hour guided tour through Frank Lloyd Wright's designed Graycliff for the Martins. Can't wait. I've never seen this before.
The tour starts by entering the M&T Bank Pavilion, which is also quite an impressive gift shop. Our tour starts at 2. It's only like 1:30, so we're hanging out, waiting for it to start. We're all checked in. Kevin's got his sticker. We're ready to go. We got the tennis courts here. There's the gardens. That's called Sit. And we're back to the pavilion.